Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good. And this is basically just a quick update on the Reggae Boyz squad. As you can see, they had a light session today. So I'm just going to give you a short update. So hopefully you guys are doing good. Please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me give a short shout out to our channel members. We have the original Zilla, Jermaine Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Lee Bell, Martin, Ricketts, Jamel, Winter, Rocco, React, Devon Hughes, Ari Link Up, D. Ellisworth, and Blair Video. So my respect to you guys really helped the channel to go. So we're not going to waste any of your time, so please do smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as we await the squad to be dropped. Still hasn't dropped as yet. Even though JFF said, as you see, that announced that it will be dropped in short order. So this is the update. Alright, so the friendly international against Qatar will be at 11 a.m. Jamaican time. That's 6 p.m. local time, 5 p.m. UK time. So the local time would be in Austria, but Jamaica time it would be 11. The Qatar game will be 11 a.m. Jamaica time. Unfortunately though, for that game against Qatar, the game will be played, that's this Thursday, the game will be played behind closed door. Very, very unfortunate. I know a lot of you guys will be asking, where is the link? How can we see the game? Unfortunately, I don't know the situation. I've got no any update on that. Then now, the match on June 19th versus Jordan will be 7 a.m. Jamaican time. So that we get official, when you guys get that official. The 19th, the match on the 19th will be 7 a.m. Jamaican time. And the match on Thursday, this Thursday, which will be against Qatar, will be 11 a.m. Jamaican time. Both games will be played at the Stadion Werner Stadium. And as stated, the same venue where Jamaica faced Qatar last year and USA in 2020. And USA in 2021. You remember that friendly against USA? I think it was in March. When we played against when the introduction of Ethan Pinnock and Amar Bell and these guys. Yeah, at that point in time. As you can see, there are a few pictures out already on the JFF IG social media. Of them doing a little bit of training session, light training session. So that's actually good. So let me give again the major aspect of this update is actually that the match will be played behind closed door. I'm not sure the reason why. I don't know. I'm not sure if anything might change after that, but certainly that's how it is at this present moment. So that's the update, people. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Please smash the like button, hit subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Until next time, MG Sports TV, people, and I'm out. Music.